Hello everyone, my name is Alvina Pinarbila. In here, I want to tell you about the pulmonary oximetry. What is pulmonary level? Pulmonary oximetry is a tool to measure oxygen level or oxygen saturation with breathable. This device might describe how well oxygen is sent to the vitreous part of the body from a person's heart. Oxygen is carried throughout how the body attacks to hemoglobin that is a red blood cell. Oxygen is needed to produce energy from metabolic result and at the cellular level and function to maintain the more normal function of the body. What are the use of pulmonary oximetry? Pulmonary oximetry has become an important tool in the current emergency practice. Detection of hypoxia with a clinical indicator alone is unreliable. Which pulmonary can assess the oxygen saturation real time or time to time and evaluate intervention and the development of the disease process. This is non-invasive, readily available, and is easy to use. Its correct use is a standard monitor for all tests of anesthesia used to emergency unit, hospital ward, and ambulance to access blood oxygen is patient with breathing difficulty. This information helps healthcare provide this device whether someone needs extra oxygen or not. The normal oxygen saturation between 95 until 100%. The value of oxygen saturation is important to monitor because it can provide a picture of the oxygen conductor process throughout the body. The value of oxygen saturation below 85% indicates that the body tissue not getting enough oxygen, while the oxygen saturation is less than 70% could harm the patient soul and require further exam and intervention according to the patient. How does oximetry work? In his measurement, the pulmonary oximetry uses a device such as a clip that is held up placed on the breathbar, such as finger or the air lobe. Oxygen saturation measurement is carried out the high light, red, and infrared light. A specific wave, respectively, through the network or most often Nile basic. These two abilities penetrate in the tissue well, while blue, green, and yellow and infrared light are far absorb the non-vascular and weather tissue. The working principle of pulmonary oximetry is based on the difference in absorption of like the hemoglobin as a carrier of oxygen. This difference will be processed through an algorithm within the tool to display a person oxygen saturation value. Pulmonary ability to detect the oxygen saturation based on the arterial blood flow. This is because the absorbed amount of red negotiation fluctuation according to the heart cycle. The result of the pulmonary reading oximetry. Pulmonary oximetry is calibrated with a saturation from 70% to 100% and 2% until 5% accurately. This suggests that the reading allow that 70% reading outcome may be inaccurate when compared to gold standard, primarily the measurement of invasive droplets. The result of reading from pulmonary oximetry depend on the absorption of light through the network with dropping blood. Therefore, factor that's involved with the parameter can influence the result of the reading. On common example of the body factor nail polish. Dropping blood cells are other prerequisite from accurate reading. To get the best measurement result, the double trim into the hand the finger of the patient wearing the part most difficult. Therefore, the best riding is achieved when the patient head is warm, relaxed, and position is slow. And this is it for me. Thank you for watching.